What's up, guys? It's Edwin, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper airplane. This is crazy. Alright, so you want to look at the paper. So all you gotta do is simple. You just fold it like this right here. Alright, hold up. You can follow these steps along. And also, if you want to see my channel, don't forget, scroll down on this video, not all the way, but kind of like a few, and then hit that E, that blue E. The E is white, and then the outside is blue. Hit that, and then you'll be notified in my channel. And then while you're there, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Alright, back. Alright, then you want to do that. You want to open it, and then you want to do that. You don't want it to go over it, but if it's over like this, it's still fine. Then do the same with that, and you can make this a little tighter. Then you flip it over like this, and then you fold it, and you push down on it, and then you do that. Then here's the tricky part. Then most people mess up on this. And then you do that, you fold it like that. Then on the other side, you do the same exact thing, just like this. And you want to twist it kinda, or else it's not gonna work. And then you want to fold it. And sometimes I usually do that, like this, like stack it one more time. And then, like that. And bada beam, bada boom, you have yourself a paper airplane. Watch, it definitely works. It definitely works. See that? That was crazy. It does work. See, I told you. Just like this, watch. It works. It goes super straight. And guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And remember, peace.